In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size in Adobe Express. First, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design you want to update before making any changes, since the resize option will apply to the project you currently have open. If you're working on something important, it's always a good idea to quickly check that you're editing the correct file before moving forward. Once your project is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. In that menu, look for Resize and select it. As soon as you click it, a resize panel will appear on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll adjust the dimensions of your page. Inside the resize panel, you have a couple of options depending on what you need. If you already know the exact dimensions you want, you can type them directly into the width and height fields. You can also choose the unit that works best for your project, which is helpful if you need your design to match a specific format or platform requirement. For example, this can be useful when designing for social media, presentations, print layouts, or custom digital graphics. If you don't have exact dimensions in mind, you can also choose from one of the available size presets. Presets can save time and make the process easier, especially if you're creating content for standard formats. This is often the quickest option when you want a clean, ready-to-use size without having to enter measurements manually. After you've selected your custom dimensions or chosen a preset, look toward the bottom of the panel on the left side. You'll see two options: duplicate and resize, or resize. If you want to keep your original project unchanged and create a new version in the new size, choose duplicate and resize. If you're comfortable replacing the current page size directly, click Resize instead. That's all it takes to change page size in Adobe Express. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you need to adapt one design for different uses. Just open your project, go to File, choose Resize, set your dimensions, and confirm your choice with the option that fits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.